मलकियत कमल आए याद मुझो ही ये मलकियत मलकियत कमल मलकियत कमल मलकियत मलकियत कमल आए याद मुझो ही ये मलकियत आए याद मुझो ही ये मलकियत कमल
Among our mystic poets, Sachal Sarma should be considered as one of the most outspoken. He lived in a very turbulent period of Sindh's history. He saw invasions, infightings, famines, social injustice, and religious intolerance. Shah Latif Bhittai stands out as a towering figure in Sindhi literature and music, but Sachal has his own approach to dealing with life's vicissitudes. He belongs to the Farooqi clan. His forefathers came to Sindh in the early days of Islam and were very learned people. After visiting many places, Khwaja Muhammad Hafiz, alias Sahabadinu, settled at Daraza in Khairapur district. This made this small abode a great center of learning. He was named as Abdul Wahab, but owing to his outspokenness and street-force character, he became known as Sachu, Sachal, and Sachadinu, which he also used as name to plumb in the verses. Sachal Sarmast, 1739 to 1829, the golden era of Sindhi literature.
कमल हुआ त कमल ही कमल हुआ त कमल ही ये कमल हुआ त कमल ही कमल हुआ त कमल ही ये कमल हुआ त कमल ही कमल हुआ त कमल ही आए यार पर मुझो ही ये कमल की त कमल आए यार पर मुझो ही ये कमल की त कमल कमल की त कमल की कमल की त कमल की कमल की त कमल कमल की त कमल की आए यार पर मुझो ही ये कमल की त कमल आए यार पर मुझो ही ये कमल की त कमल की
Was not only a keen learner academically, but also an eager student of life, which actually became his real school of wisdom. At the early age, he memorized the Holy Quran and learned the basic of Persian, Arabic, and philosophical interpretation of life. He learned various disciplines from a number of scholars, like Shah Latif Bhittai, 1689 to 1752. Sachal Sarma saw many agonizing developments. He developed the practice of expressing himself through mysticism with such force that none could stop him. He took the path of Wahdatul Wujud, Jo hi aaya so hi aaya, and spoke so vocationally that he was called Mansoor-e-Sani, the famous Al-Mansur from Arabic history. The Mansoor-e-Sani. After Hussain bin Mansur al-Hajj, he was a small boy when Shah Latif visited Daraza, the birthplace of Sachal, remarked that the mission he had launched would be accomplished by Sachal. Sachal, well versed in Sindhi, Sraiki, Punjabi, Hindu and Persian, was a close observer of social conditions of Sindh, resulting from political changes, foreign invasions, feudal life-letting, conspiracies, and religious tolerance that had been created by a greedy ruling classes. Shah Latif had chosen a subtle approach to exposing the atrocities committed by the rulers, who one of the pretext or the other he had killed Shah Inayat, Shahid, Makhdoom Bilawal, and Sarmat. Sachal, though that a more direct and explicit mode of communication with the distressed people was necessary to create an awareness among them. Thus, Wahadat Wujud. Sachal's basic perception of poetry was love. Like all mystic, he also used popular folk stories to narrate his philosophy of life.
कमल रात ते कमल दिया कमल रात ते कमल आए यार तमो जो ही ये कमल दिया ते कमल आए यार तमो जो ही ये कमल दिया ते कमल कमल किया ते कमल की कमल किया ते कमल की ये कमल किया ते कमल किया ते कमल आए यार तमो जो ही ये कमल किया ते कमल आए यार तमो जो ही ये कमल किया ते कमल किया.
But he was more vigorous in condemning exploitative forces that had overtaken society in the most brutal way. He was hardly 15 when Ahmad Shah Abdali, on his way back from Delhi, plundered Sindh and Punjab in 1754. This was followed by the devastation wreaked by Madad Khan Pathan during the Kalora period. While the Kalora struggled for their survival, the Sikhs and Britishite Sindh, insecurity and lawlessness were rife in the region, and nobody in Sindh felt safe. The economy had collapsed. Internal and external trade had gone down to the people of yearned for peace. It was during the Kalora period that religious fanaticism gained a more violent form that had already ruined the socio-economic basic of Sindh. Satchal thought that only unity could restore peace in the country, but that needed strong preaching. He asked people to stand up and be counted. Mata vehi mat mein manj jaldi jal. White way at thanke pochi panke. Don't sit idle. Expedite your travels. Don't sit here so that. This is the great Satchal's thought. Pasi jenje mein jal, manj tamashe mein pavi. घोट करे तू पाण खे कर हंगामा हुल भुल न बई भुल वठ जहाल हरम जो. Don't become a spectator in the bridal procession, become the groom and raise your voice and take the unjust to ask. Class divisions terminated by Satchal and consider them degrading for human dignity. At one place he says, Khayal buzurgi dhun namidai ma mangat makhdumi. This is the great Satchal. He always prays for the truthfulness. For the truth he devoted his own whole life. Satchal Sarmast. We all hear the humanity who pray for the truth. Behind from the truth, he is the real leader, Satchal Sarmast.
जी सच्चा मौला कणा मझ करार कणा मझ करार हुआ है कांदा एक संग में गाहेगा फिराक जे कया धारों धार मजाना बिहार के मिला कैसी भला कहमल किया ओ कहमल किया आहे यार तमो जो ही कहमल किया आहे यार तमो जो ही कहमल किया आहे जो ही ये कमल कियत कमल की आए यार तमो जो ही ये कमल कियत कमल की कमल ही कमल हुआ त कमल ही ये कमल हुआ त कमल ही कमल हुआ त कमल ही ये कमल हुआ त कमल ही कमल हुआ त कमल ही आए यार तमो जो ही ये कमल किया त कमल किया आए यार तमो जो ही ये कमल किया त कमल किया त कमल की कमल किया त कमल किया कमल किया त कमल किया त कमल की आए यार तमो जो ही ये कमल किया त आए यार तमो जो ही ये कमल किया त कमल किया कमल रात कमल नी कमल रात कमल नी है कमल रात कमल नी कमल रात कमल नी है कमल रात कमल नी कमल रात कमल आए यार तमो जो ही ये कमल किया त कमल आए यार तमो जो ही ये कमल किया त कमल किया त कमल की कमल किया त कमल की ये कमल किया त कमल किया त कमल आए यार तमो जो ही ये कमल किया त कमल आए यार तमो जो ही ये कमल किया त कमल किया कमल खुड़त कमल मी कमल खुड़त कमल मी है कमल खुड़त कमल मी कमल खुड़त कमल मी है कमल खुड़त कमल मी कमल खुड़त कमल मी आए यार तमो जो ही ये कमल किया त कमल आए यार तमो जो ही ये कमल किया त कमल किया त कमल की कमल किया त कमल की कमल किया त कमल किया त कमल की आए यार तमो जो ही ये कमल किया त कमल आए यार तमो जो ही ये कमल किया त कमल किया कदह मनवा मा कोरी कदह कह रखी कदह मनवा मा कोरी कदह कह रखी कदह मनवा मा कोरी कदह कह रखी आए यार तमो जो ही ये कमल किया त कमल की आए यार तमो जो ही ये कमल किया त कमल किया त कमल की कमल किया त कमल की कमल किया त कमल किया त कमल की आए यार तमो जो ही ये कमल किया त कमल आए यार तमो जो ही ये कमल किया त कमल किया नहकड़िया जाए थे सचला सारे नी क्यों नहकड़िया जाए सचला सारे नी क्यों नहकड़िया जाए सचला सारे नी ओ क्यों नहकड़िया जाए थे सचला सारे नी आए यार तमो जो ही ये कमल किया त कमल आए यार तमो जो ही ये कमल किया त कमल